Hi ladies, Mr. Smith's out today. I'm going to be your sub. We're going to be working independently on a safety assignment.
Oh no. At Mount Carmel Academy, we're encouraged to come up with innovative solutions, turning our mistakes into opportunities for growth. And pursuing our curiosity through creativity and self-expression.
What a great addition to your composition.
Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him, Horatio, a fellow of infinite jest, of most excellent fancy. Excuse me. You knew I'd pull this off, right? So what I have here is a 3D printed skull so that you all can visualize where things like the mandible are. Working together, we can pull off some pretty amazing things as we explore what moves us to make a difference in the world.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come.
With some imagination and a little bit of faith,
Miracles really can happen.
Mount Carmel Academy, for God, for learning, for life. Join us at our open house October 12th from 3 to 7:30.